Why on earth would you buy a $304,200 plus on roads, four-door BMW M6 Gran Coupe when you can get a BMW M4 Coupe and a decent X5 for less? The answer is simple actually. Because you can. Here is a car that oozes understated class. It's subtle, yet aggressive at the same time. It speaks volumes to those that know what it is and yet blends in amongst the folk for which it's not intended to impress. It's practical, yet sporty, and it's usable as a daily, but also fun when things get serious. It's a near-perfect blend of two worlds. But, it's by no means perfect. Here's the thing, we kind of miss the V10-powered M5 of old, and with this current generation of M5 and M6, which came out 5 years ago, the shine is starting to wear off a little bit. But BMW updated the M6 with a midlife tweak a little while ago and it's time we revisit the V8 monster. Fiercely, and perhaps most importantly, the competition package is now standard. That brings the power from the 4.4-liter M twin-power turbo 8-cylinder petrol engine up to 441 kilowatts and 700 Nm of torque, an increase of 19 kilowatts and 20 Nm. It also brings the 0 to 100 km/h time down to a ridiculous 3.9 seconds. We are talking about a car that weighs 2 tons. There are some visual enhancements and interior changes that came through from 2015 build, but you'll need to be a BMW enthusiast to really spot or care about them. For those interested, these included digital radio and tire pressure monitor on the technology side, with the center console now in high-gloss black, central display with frameless design as well as black chrome accent lines and new contrast stitching. Exterior changes include a minor refresh for the front bumper and grille as well as larger and lower air inlets and lower lip spoiler. Other than that, the other changes are applied to the M6 Gran Coupe's lighting, with adaptive LEDs, LED front fogs and BMW selective beam, high beam that doesn't blind other drivers, now standard,